Hi there, boys and girls! Today I have a delicious juice with loads of properties and very easy to make. For 2 glasses we need 2 oranges, 2 carrots, and a glass of cold water, a bit of ginger, and some mint leaves which will add a nice touch. First, we wash the carrot and we peel it. You can use a knife, but it's easier if you have a peeler. And we cut it in pieces. After that, we have to extract the juice from the orange in a very cheap purple gadget like this. Using a spoon, we peel part of the ginger skin and we cut 2 small pieces. We toss all the ingredients into a chopper and we grind it happily. This juice usually has small pieces or lumps of the carrots, so I advise you to grind it for a longer time. And if you are a bit fussy, you can always strain it once you have crushed all. And now we serve and enjoy. This juice has a lot of properties. To mention some, ginger, for example, is pyretic. It increases energy and it's antibacterial. Carrots are great for your eyesight and skin. And orange is a very good antioxidant. So we should all drink this little juice at least once a week. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video.